on individual autonomy. Humanitarianism, therefore, limits our freedom, providing us with the guidance to improve ourselves. Next.
So, ang communitarianism, therefore, limits our freedom, providing us with the guidance to improve ourselves. So, ang communitarianism kay nagalimit sa ato ang freedom kung sa ating atong ilan murag taong piniliso kay ilan murag kanang ilimitahan sa ato ang kalayaan. Tapos, another issue of free ay communitarianism kay wala po tayo freedom sa ato ang kinakuli. So, mao to siya. Next is the justice of theory.
Hi sir, I'm John Tiguran. I'm discussing the justice of theory. Justice of theory is equal citizenship to achieve citizenship. Everyone must try to achieve justice through fair equal opportunity. John Rawls, 1971 and 1971 said social institution must observe each citizen individuality, strengths, moral guidance. Moral guidance, they are offer moral guidance and principle for determining what is fair and equitable in society, providing a framework for individuals, institutions, and policymakers to make ethical decisions, and promotion of fairness. Theories of justice advocate for fairness and equality in the distribution of resources, opportunities, and rights in society, helping to ensure that everyone has a chance to flourish and succeed. Number 3 is protection of rights. Many theories of justice prioritize the protection of fundamental rights and liberties, safeguarding individuals against discrimination, oppression, and exploitation. Sir, with this way, subjectivity. Subjectivity, the concept of justice can subjective vary across cultures, societies, and individuals. This subjectivity can lead to disagreements and conflicts over what constitutes a just distribution of resources, opportunities. And number 2, inequality perpetuation. Some theories of justice may inadvertently existing inequalities by prioritizing certain groups or interests over others, calling to adequately address historical injustice or systemic barriers to equality. Before the application, implementing theories
through the behavior involved. Ang strength niya, sir, emphasis on moral, principle, and duties. For example, the principle of quality is the belief that every person has the same rights and that no life is inherently worth more or less than other. And sa weakness naman, sir, potential and complexity where other rules might make morality. For example, your inflexibility when setting rules for your kids is impairing your relationship with them because the older ones don't want to have the same motive and vengeance as the younger ones.